Reason being, sir, there are three technical points. Unfortunately, the education minister, who I have seen with so much energy after a long time, I mean, the way he was battling a cabinet minister of India, demanding to a speaker कि मेरे speaker को 5 मिनट दे दो. I've been in parliament for 20 years. ऐसा सीन तो मैंने कभी नहीं देखा. राजनाथ सिंह जी, आप तो बहुत सालों से हम सबके बड़े वरिष्ठ नेता है. कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर का ऐसा बर्ताव तो मैंने कभी नहीं देखा स्पीकर से लड़ते हुए कि मेरे स्पीकर को 5 मिनट दे दीजिए. You are an education minister of India. If he is the education minister of India, he has to have the dignity to show what he is, to lead by education. This is not some comedy of BJP Karyakarta working. He is education minister of India, sir. And we are very proud about education. The equality that child was talking about, that's the equality education brings. It's a very serious topic. This is not some Karnataka assembly where hasi mazak is going on. This is a question of children's life. 21 children have killed themselves and they are talking about this. आप एजुकेशन को हल्के में लेंगे? सर, मैं टीका करने नहीं आई थी. मुझे लगा इतनी अच्छी डिबेट होगी, हम कुछ 4 अच्छी चीजें बोलेंगे, वहां से कुछ अच्छा आएगा और देश को एक मैसेज जाएगा कि इस पूरे मामले में हमसे एक आवाज में, जैसे पहलगाम के अटैक पर ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में हम सब लड़े थे, मेरी अपेक्षा थी कि शिक्षा के बारे में ये इनका बर्ताव होगा. बट ये उम्मीद क्या करेंगे? एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर ऐसा बिहेव कर रहा है पार्लियामेंट में. और ये जो नया जेनजी का लिंगो यूज कर रहे हैं ना, मैं भी उनको बताना चाहती हूँ सर, इन्होंने शायद इंस्टाग्राम नहीं देखा. सब बीजेपी के लोगों ने देखा भी होगा तो बोलेंगे नहीं पता है, सबके बच्चे हमारे साइड पे, उनके साइड पे तो किसी के बच्चे नहीं है. इनकी अगली जनरेशन में इनके साथ नहीं, हमारे साथ भी नहीं है शायद. हम जो डिलुलू के बारे में बोले ना, आप भी उस डिलुलू में ना रहना कि वो आपके साथ है. आपकी जनरेशन किसके साथ है ये 29 में पता चलेगा, तब देखा जाएगा. बट लेट्स नोबडी बी इन दिस जेन जी एंड वी आर नॉट फाइटिंग. Why are we getting into the lingo of the Gen Z? That's not what we are. ये कोई ऑक्सफोर्ड डिक्शनरी का सवाल के लिए चर्चा नहीं कि आप कितने शब्द जानते हैं और मैं कितने शब्द जानती हूँ. We are here for a very serious issue. People on Jantar Mandar, sir, I was sitting in the Lok Sabha canteen, house was not functional. You also missed it. We've all heard the loud sounds outside. किसकी आवाज थी वो? टेयर गैस की आवाज थी. पता नहीं पिलेट्स चल रहे थे सर. हम डरे नहीं क्योंकि हम एक सिक्योर वातावरण में बैठे. बस उस माँ के बारे में आप सोचिए जिसका बच्चा उस जंतर मंतर थे, उस माँ पे क्या गुजर रही होती. We are sitting in this very VIP area with so many police. कोई दरवाजा पार्लियामेंट का बंद कर रहा है, कोई इतने सारे पुलिस है. हम तो सिक्योर है ना. आपके बच्चे चिंता में है ना मेरे बच्चे चिंता है. बस उस माँ बाप का सोचिए जिनके बच्चों का करियर है. सर, मैं भी एक माँ हूँ. जब रिजल्ट आता है ना, एक दिन पहले नींद नहीं आती. अभी मेरे तो बच्चे बड़े हो गए, तो अभी CBSE चल रहा है, सोचते पढ़ते हैं. आप सोचिए जिसके बच्चे का एडमिशन जो KG के लिए प्रॉब्लम आता है, उसकी माँ पे, फैमिली पे क्या गुजरती है. उनके पास कुछ होता नहीं है सर. एक रोटी खाते हैं, शायद आधी खाटी होती है, इसलिए वो पैसा भर भर के पेट की भूख काट काट के बच्चों को पढ़ाते कि जो मेरा हुआ मेरे बच्चों का ना हो. What is a degree? It is your recognition. No caste, nothing can stop you. Once you have a good degree on your forehead, your life is made. What was Bhimrao, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar? How did he get recognition? It's purely on merit and his education. This is what I was expecting from this government, and I'm hugely disappointed as a parliamentarian, as a parent, because I expected more from them. Because this is not about तुतु मैं. ये बच्चों के बारे में क्या तुतु मैं करेंगे यहाँ? वो पॉलिटिकल होगा, वो लड़ रहेंगे रास्ते पे. यहाँ इसलिए नहीं आते हम सिर्फ लड़ने के लिए. What is this bill done? 2024 unfair means an objective. Every objective has been achieved. बस ये इम्प्लीमेंट होता 24 में, तो 26 में जंतर मंतर का दिन नहीं देखने पड़ते हम सबको. Why is the government not followed this? What are they talking about? And what is in this written? This is also interesting, sir. This is again 2025 reply in the government. 21st June 2024, the bill has become an act. 22nd June, a committee is formed which is doing recommendations. Have you heard of such a thing, sir? On 21st, I reiterate what I say. 21st June 2024, a bill has come, the act is made. And 22nd, they have started a committee of recommendations. Iska mazak udaya ja raha hai. Then didn't you take the committee recommendations before? Or why didn't you have a committee? Then what was the rush of the bill? What is the logic? Can somebody tell me? Now, this is the approach of this government. Now, can you tell me why has this happened? Why is this divide? Why is DMK against the NEET? I asked them, why, what is the problem? Has government ever consulted them? Because it's the difference between the haves and the have-nots. The coaching classes in this country. Who is regulating the coaching classes in this country? Can, sir, the Honorable Minister reply to this question? It's a huge business. I think that Shrikant Shinde said it. That Shrikant Shinde said, or Krishna said, that they are going for IPOs and all that. Coaching class is going for IPOs. How many lakhs and lakhs of rupees do people give? And what will this girl, this Anita, and this girl from Maharashtra yesterday, this Sagre girl, Ankita, they can't afford coaching classes, sir. What is this government talking about? And this is a collapse of trust. Hardest one to hit, sir. The Secretary demanding of Higher Education. I quote him. Each time one loophole is fixed, another appears. That is why institutions need people with memory, expertise, and ability to learn from the failure. Those trying to rig the system are experienced too. Are you trying to tell me that you can't fix the system? There are countries, sir, there's a law exam in this country which is taken countrywide. Aaj tak public service, sir, aapka exam, aap khud police rahe. How come government exams don't get then fixed? And you're trying to tell me that the crooks are better than the government system in this country? Kya baat kar rahe? This is an education secretary talking. Sir, and after Jantar Mantar, have you all not seen the pain of the mothers, the children? I request the government, ek inquiry lagaiye. Why don't you make an SIT and find out who really gave the orders and what went wrong that day? Sir, let there be an inquiry and let it be transparent, fair. I'm not saying who did it, who gave the order. ये नहीं मैं कह रही हूँ. ये फिर इस देश में ना हो, इसलिए we have to do it. Those sites were horrific, sir. No India, and it's not just about India. It as a parent I'm talking. Every child that I know wanted to come to Delhi and support Jantar Mantar. Children were sleeping on the streets. और कोई यहाँ से कह रहा है कि foreign हाथ है. Children are making memes, sir. ये समोसा चाइना के पैसे से आया है. ये चाय पाकिस्तान के पैसे से है. वो सब नहीं चलने वाला. Those days are over, sir. Like Tejasvi Surya said, these kids are very, very smart. There's a meme that is also going on, sir. I have so many memes. There's one beautiful girl from Maharashtra called Ahir, her name is. She was standing in front of the police alone. Look at the courage of that girl. She was standing alone in front of the bus to stop the bus. It's an iconic photograph, sir. It makes you feel so proud that जिस लड़की को हमने पढ़ाया ना, उसको ना बोलने की ताकत जो देनी चाहिए ना, उस लड़की में है.
अब पुलिस उसको बुला रही है.
और पुलिस उसको बोल रही है नहीं छोड़ दो. Another small incident, I'll tell you what the police has done, which has disturbed me as a parent. 50 grams. The children were all arrested and were taken to the police station. And the policeman is telling the children, तुम ज्यादा मत बोलना. अगर ज्यादा बोलोगे तो 50 ग्राम पाउडर डाल दूंगा और तुम्हारा लाइफ बर्बाद हो जाएगा. What is this, sir? Should we not, as there are parents on that side, these are parents. किसी के बच्चे के साथ ये हो सकता है. सिर्फ मेरे बच्चे नहीं, आप हमारे सबके घर में बच्चे हैं. So we really need to put our minds to it, sir, and find out that how can we fix this issue. It's not about UPA versus NDA. I repeat, sir, it is system versus aspiration. So I request this government to take this matter seriously.